Hello YouTube, it's morning 10 a.m. My Arrowhead Syngonium Podophyllum plant is transplanted into water. As you can see, this is fresh drinkable water, and I have dipped the Arrowhead inside this one bottle. And this bottle also has plants roots dipped in the water. But the problem I am facing here, Syngonium leaves is turning yellow and not fresh. It also has some necrosis like burning, holes on the leaves, and one of its leaf is turning totally yellow. Now its veins is little bit some green, but the plant leaf is turning totally yellow. Backside of the leaves condition is in front of you. If you're facing the same problem, let me hit my inbox in comment box and give me suggestions. And also this one leaves is curling. Although this leaf is so fresh, might be a new leaves is emerging now, but as they grown with the time, they turn in yellow. If you're facing the same problem, let me know in the comments box.